Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here today to plan in my Walmart Traveler's Notebook, which is by Pen and Gear and includes an insert that is also a planner from Dollar Tree. This is what it looks like. And I know I'm supposed to be moving out of this and giving the pink cover a break, but I just haven't really been in the mood to plan a lot lately, which is why I've been doing little micro spreads over on Instagram to get me through the week. But I'm going to dive in and continue planning in the Dollar Tree planner. I'm using washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. It's the Savage washi, and I'm using the pink one. I'm going to go ahead and white out the little calendars at the top. And I struggled a little bit with laying down this washi. This is kind of not my style, so you'll see me struggling a little bit. I didn't want to make you suffer through all of that, so I cut out some of it, but I think I finally got it the way I wanted it, even though the words weren't quite how I wanted them, but you'll see all of that. So this is the hot pink drip washi, and again the Savage washi in pink. And I did go ahead and decide to no longer use this as a food diary, so I've gone from social media to food diary now to just kind of like a brief journal or brief daily journal. I didn't do anything on last week's spread. Like I said, I've just not really been in the mood for planning. So, but you can check out my little micro spreads over on Instagram Reels. And I have posted a few in my Facebook group as well. And I need to get caught up on the challenges in the Facebook group. I'm so glad that the members of the group are holding things down with doing the challenges because I've been absent from them for a while. Um, but I'm going to try and dive back in. I have an idea of how I want to do the challenge that's a little different from just planning. It's kind of difficult to plan when we're just in the house, bored in the house bored. So yeah, I need to come up with ways to keep me interested, I think. So this washi is from Simply Gilded. I wasn't really crazy about the fluorescent look of it, but it works with the other washi tapes that I'm using. It is perforated washi, day of the week washi. So all I have to do is pull it apart. And if you are using a planner that has vertical boxes, and if they are the standard 1.5 inch wide, then these perforated day of the week washi pieces will fit in your box perfectly. But it is quite easy to be able to just tear the piece of washi off and it's automatically the right size. That I did like about this washi. Now I just need to get myself a few other colors and I'll be good. So now let's pick out a doll. I think I'm gonna probably end up using Coco's Vision, yes, because it seems like all of these sheets that have the multiple dolls on them, the exclusive dolls, there's always one that's gonna work with my spread. And Coco's Vision continuously has new exclusive doll sheets, so that's great. And it's a great way to build your sticker stash if you're into dolls in your planner. So these are my big numbers that I use all the time that didn't cut right, but I'm still going to use this sheet. So I kind of struggle with getting them off of the sticker sheet, but it all comes together in the end. And this is the big sticker book. I can't remember the name of this book, but it's like the double giant sticker book. One of the first ones that the Happy Planner came out with, that I'm using some of the clear word stickers to finish off my header. And now I'm just going to put this little push pin to fill the empty space up top there, and it is the right color, so why not? Trying to use all the stickers. So this is the Boss Babe sticker book. I think it's part of the Wrong collection, maybe not, I don't know. But I'm going to use a couple of stickers out of here. This is a Happy Planner accessory, part of the accessory book or something like that. I don't know. I don't know all the names of the stuff. I just know it has stickers and it's Boss Babe. So I'm just placing a couple of stickers from this book, and I didn't use any foil on this spread. And I purposely tried to find stickers that had no foil because I thought that the fluorescent pink was pop enough, I guess. It made the spread pop, and I didn't need anything to overpower or try to compete with the fluorescent look, so I tried to stay away from the foil. And then I just added a box on Friday and just some deco stickers. I'm going to sprinkle deco stickers throughout. And I believe all of the deco stickers that I use are from Happy Planner books. And the two books that I have on my desk there in the shot now are those two journaling books that came out last year. I believe that was last year. And I'm just adding the little hearts as deco and accents on each day. And I'm also trying to stay with black and white so as not to compete with the fluorescent pink. That's kind of why I don't like using fluorescent colors, because unless you're using all fluorescent, there's not much you can combine with it and still have a cohesive look other than black and white, and which is fine because fluorescent and black and white looks great together. So let's pop this back in. So that's going to be it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.